Good morning.
Good morning.
Who are you snuggling with?
Hmm?
Who are you snuggling with?
Your mom.
Trunk.
Your mom.
Trunks? Oh, he's rubbing Trunk all over him right now.